because number of vacancies 108. So last date of submitting the application is 21/1/2022. So official website is gujaratmetrorail.com. Okay. The recruitment notification of and personal non-executives. Okay, so online registration will start on 22 December 2021. Last date of registration on the online is 21 January 2022. So payment is only for online application of fee. Okay, so banking, debit cards, visa, okay, any cards. So last date of test is February 2022. Okay, from 2022 21st January. Okay, is the last date is 21 January 2022. So number of post is, okay, post code, this is the post code. Name of the post is station controller and train operator. Okay, so grade in 33,000 to 1 lakh. So number of vacancies 71. Okay, age limit is 18 to 28. So qualification is diploma in engineering, mechanical, electrical, computer science, or electronic disciplines. Okay, around universities. So next, customer relation assistant. Okay, pay scale is 25 to 80,000. So is the number of post vacancies 11. Science graduates in physics, chemistry, mathematics. Okay, age limit is 18 to 28. So next, junior engineer, number of post vacant is 3. General 2, ST 1. Diploma in engineering in mechanical, electrical, electronics. Okay, 18 to 28 age limit. So next, the maintainer 33, number of vacancies 33. SLC pass with ITI, 2 years in filter electrician. Okay, electronics from the government recognized university institute, 18 to 25 years. Okay, candidates along the with respective discipline can also apply. Okay, this is a qualification, it's already mentioned. Okay, job profile is a station controller, train operator, one customer relation assistants 1. So next is junior engineer and maintainer. Selection process is based on written test and Gujarati language test. So this is the Gujarati language test is 20 marks. Written test is 100 marks. Okay. So for station control train operator, duration of the test will be 120 minutes, 2 hours for all parts together. The test will be consist of Gujarati language 20 questions, logical ability reasoning 20 questions, and question quantity up to 20 questions, general English 20 questions, and technical knowledge 40 questions. For maintainer, duration of the test will be 120 minutes. Test will be consist of 100 questions. So technical knowledge 40, Gujarati language 20, logical ability 15, quantity up to 10, and general English 15. Syllabus for the respective course will be so available in the gujaratmetrorail.com carriers. Okay, penalty for wrong answer. There will be a penalty for wrong answer marked in the objective test. Okay, usation for wrong answer has been given by candidate 1/4. Okay, 1/4 is the penalty marks for wrong answer. Cutoff score. Each test part section will have a minimum passing cutoff score as well as one of the total score is decided by GMRC. Qualifying in the test. Medical next is medical examination, training and contract period. The selected candidates shall be appointed on the training preparation for the period of 2 years. The training period of the 2 years divided as per the organizational requirements. Okay, includes classroom training and technical training on the job training, etc. Okay, after completion propagation period, candidates shall be appointed at the contractual terms of period of 5 years with the IDA pay scales for current advertised vacancies. Service of the candidates during the contract period may be terminated by the GMC if the performance of the candidates is not found unsatisfactory accordance with the company's minimum standards of performance criteria. So pay of the station and enrolled train operator is stipend period training is 30,000. Consolidated salary after training period is 15,000. Customer relation operation 11,000, 13,000. Junior engineer 13,000, 15,000. Maintenance is 9,000, 10.5. Okay. Concession relaxations of age relaxations 5 years for SAST and 3 years for OBC candidates. Under age of ex-servicemen up to 40 years. So general categories with exam fee is 600, OBC is 300, and SC/ST candidates 150. So how to apply means is online application registration, online payment fee, photograph of signature can upload. Important points to for registration. This is the register email ID and mobile number is important. So photograph and signature 15 KB size. Okay. Application fee is only online payment. Okay. This is the official website. Okay. This is HTTP www.gujaratmetrorail.com carriers. Okay. So applicants can email their queries regarding their advertisement on the help desk email. This is the help desk email, helpdesk.hr@gujaratmetrorail.com. Okay, you can any queries related to this posting related problems, so you can email. Okay, helpdesk.hr@gujaratmetrorail.com.